We've talked nightly, Dr. Gottlieb, about governors who are issuing stay-at-home orders and those who are not. Tonight, the Missouri governor has issued one. Still, others are not. The president asked about it tonight, says he is leaving it up to them.
Well, the federal policy amounts to a stay-at-home order, if you will, if the governors would follow it. In our federalist system, it really does fall into the hands of the governors and local officials to implement those recommendations. And some governors haven't. As you said, if you look at data in the heartland and the Midwest, you see much more travel by consumers. Consumers are not staying at home. They're going out. They're not social distancing. And those states had the ability to get a head start on this insofar as they saw what was happening in other parts of the country, and if they implemented more vigorous steps, they had more of an opportunity to prevent large outbreaks in their cities. Now, hopefully they will dodge it here. Hopefully they won't have a lot of spread in those parts of the country. But germ theory being what it is, this virus wants to go everywhere. And so I fear that no state is going to be completely spared by this. You're seeing in the models tonight some slowing in new cases in the Northeast and New England, particularly New York. New York's going to have another tough week, and hospitalizations and deaths, unfortunately, are going to lag new cases. But new cases may start to slow next week, and you may see New York start to hit a peak. The attention is going to start to shift to the Southeast and the Sun Belt, where you're going to see cases start to grow very quickly. Louisiana looks very bad tonight, and Texas, Georgia, Florida, all have to be areas of concern right now.
That's exactly what you tweeted earlier. In fact, you say some of the models, including the one that the White House watches, are showing some signs of slowing, including this area and up in New England, as you say. Still very worrisome, though. Detroit, Los Angeles, New Orleans, Miami, Georgia, Texas, they need to be watching things very closely in the coming days.